This is how you make a Python program into an executable so that somebody can use it without having Python or Visual Studio or any other IDE installed on their computer. So I want to go to wherever you have your Python file, your .py file. So I've got it in temp 21 here, so I'm going to click on it, double click, and I got a folder here called Python, so I'm going to go to that. Now here you want to get to your terminal, so you want to open up your terminal so it's in the same directory. So just come up here and type cmd, hit enter, and it'll bring up your command window. Now from here you want to type in, so it says okay, we're in F temp 121 Python. Okay, that's correct. Now here we want to type in at the prompt PyInstaller and then a space, and then we want to type in the name of the file. So it's going to be max contracts final 71025.py. So we'll type that in, max contracts underscore final underscore 7-10-25.py. And then we want to hit a double space or a space. I think it's a space. Yeah, just a space, and then 2 dashes, and you type one file. So it's going to make everything into one file, and that's for the sake of the end user. They don't have all these files that they get and they have to ask, which one do I click on? And then we want to hit a space and then a dash W. And what that dash W does, it takes away the command terminal. When your end user opens up clicks on the executable, they won't get this command window come up and just confuse them. So after you do that, you hit enter, and it's going to do its thing. Okay, so now if we come back to the directory here, you notice it created this dist. That's your distribution file, and then your build. We want to click on distribution, and right here's our executable. So you can send that to somebody and they can use it. All they have to do is double click on it. They can save it to whatever directory they want. They double click on it and it'll work. So I'll do it right now. I'll double click on it, and there it is. So right now we got let's say we got 75,000. You can change that to whatever you want. Let's say you want to change that to 50,000 as your account balance. You put your risk percent in here. I got it set at 1.25. You can make that 1%, 0.75%, 2%, whatever you want. You select your contract. So we're going to select MNQ. Then your raw delta comes right off of your chart. So let's say that I determine that I'm going to have a 25-point stop, and you hit enter, and it tells me I can get a max number of lots of 12.5. So there's no half lots, so you'd go with 12 max. If you want to clear it, you hit clear. You can start over. So that's how you make a executable from a Python file.